The situation is very bleak here, and they say that they have lost friends, and they say if it's their choice, they want to be sent back to their countries. Some of them said that they wanted, or they were planning to cross the Mediterranean towards Europe. Others said that they were just regular wagers, workers here in Tripoli, like construction workers.
All what we know is we want UN to help people out of this place, because this place is dangerous, but we don't have any power to do anything.
We know that both sides have the coordinates of these detention centres and that there are people inside those detention centres at the time being. So what needs to happen now is a full and thorough investigation. Those found to be responsible need to be held to account.
We all condemn that. We haven't agreed on an element for the praise.
A warlord who's been trying to take over a capital of a government that the United Nations itself recognizes, and not being able for 3.5 months now, almost 4, of even condemning that aggression by a warlord. That in itself is a sign of a serious failure happening at the United Nations in the highest levels.